Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a poll on the Instagram. So if you want to create a poll on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application. Once you will open it, you will see your story on the left top. So you have to click on it. Now simply click a picture right here. Once you will do it, on the top you will see sticker icon, so you have to click on it, and here you have to search for the poll, as you will see, and here you have to write a question like this is helpful, yes or no. Click on the done and share it on your Instagram. So this is the procedure to create or make a poll on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.